Is your phone locked to T-Mobile? Don't worry, today I'll show you the easiest way to unlock it using the official app. Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to unlock your phone using the T-Mobile Device Unlock app step by step. Before we start, make sure your phone meets these requirements.
Now open the T-Mobile Device Unlock app on your phone.
You'll see two options, temporary unlock and permanent unlock. Wait a few seconds. Your phone will connect to T-Mobile servers. And that's it, your device should now be unlocked.
Insert a different SIM card to confirm the unlock. If it doesn't work, make sure your account is eligible or contact T-Mobile support.
If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful mobile tips.